Under the law, a municipal court conviction, you have to wait 5 years. It's 5 years after the case has been disposed of. For instance, if you were placed on probation, it would be 5 years after your probation or 5 years after you paid the fine off. But that's how you can get a disorderly person's offense expunged. Now, there is another level of expungement now. You can get an arrest expunged immediately if you're found not guilty. Now, under the law of New Jersey, you can get up to 4 disorderly persons offenses expunged. Over that, you cannot. So if you had more than 4 convictions of DPs, you could not get those disorderly persons matters expunged. An arrest can be expunged almost immediately if, in fact, the day of, if the arrests were dismissed. In other words, if the charges were dismissed that day and you were found not guilty, we could make an immediate application in municipal court. You would fill out some forms and we could get you an expungement almost on the spot. All they do is then send the paperwork on to Superior Court, a judge reviews it, signs it, and you get the expungement. So keep in mind, if you've already been convicted, then it's 5 years from the date of the conviction or when you're off probation. If you haven't been convicted and you're talking about a charge, you can do that immediately. Now, there's something called a conditional discharge, which is suspending the proceedings where there's a drug case, but that's all going to be changing now also. But if you've had a conditional discharge, you can get an expungement 6 months after the date that you have the case dismissed. Normally, conditional discharge is for 6 months to a year. Then after that 1 year, you still have to wait another 6 months to get the whole matter expunged, which we could easily do for you.